at Davis Trunk or Treat show, and Cooley's ratrod called LowDown Lucille. I'm just going to take a quick little video of it because I haven't even taken too much videos of it and barely any. It's I think it's a 4-mile cube, low motor, small block, and the motor. Oh, hey thing. And it has some mud tires, even though it doesn't go. Headers, custom seats in here. Custom seats. I don't remember if I took a video of this, but I think I did. In the back, it's under there, but I can show you the front airbags, the front ones. Here's the front airbags. I think this ain't glass, this is plastic wrapping.